Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome to Tech Wave, where technology knows no bounds. Yes, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to put letters or text behind a structure in CapCut. Maybe some of you know how to put letters or words on a video, but putting it behind a human structure, just like this one, is very tough with you. So if you are not familiar with this, follow this video. Let me teach you how to do it on CapCut, both with your phone and with your desktop. So let's get started now. So let's go. But before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more tech contents like this. So let's get started. Let's go.
Tech Wave, where technology knows no bounds.
Yes, so first of all, let's launch our CapCut like this. Let's create a new project. Yes, so this is the video that I want to put the letter on the background. So let's import it. So after importing your video, come to text, add text, and choose the text that you want. Let me say add tech wave. Yes, I think this is okay. Let me change the style to black. Yes, let me choose the effects, some effects to it. Okay, I think this, yes. Oh, this is all right. Sure, let me get it some animation. So let me widen it small. Let me widen it and put it over here. So let me drag the letter across the video. Okay, I think this is okay. So let me export it. Welcome. Video. YouTube. For YouTube. Yeah, so after exporting it, so let's create a new project again. So import the exported video you've just exported. So let's import it. Yes, so here is it. So tap on overlay. So after tapping on overlay, tap on the previous video, the original one, the one there is nothing on it. So here is it. So let's tap it. So continue. So let's drag it to the. So let's resize it to fit the old video. So okay. So and come to BG. BG is over here. Yes, so remove BG is over here. So auto remover. So and wait for it to apply. So here is it. Basically, this is how to put letter on a background, on a video background on CapCut, using CapCut. So you can see it with your naked eyes now. So let's proceed to do it with the CapCut on desktop. So let's go now. Yes, so let's launch our CapCut like this, you understand. So this is the video that I'm going to put the letters on. So let's drag it to our workspace. Let me shorten it small. It seems it's very long. So I think, yes, I'm just going to give you the basics. Yes, so I think this is okay. So let's add our text now. So go onto text. Yes, drag it to the workspace and lengthen it. Yes, so let me type anywhere that I want. Let's tech wave. Yes, I think this is okay. So let me change the font to black. The font to black. So yes, let me increase it small. Yes. Let me change my system font to okay, I think this is okay. So after doing so, in order to avoid inconvenience, just tap on the Alt key on your keyboard. You understand? So, and drag the copy of the video on top of the text layer. Yes, so you made a copy of it. Otherwise, if you are trying to import the same video, it may create some inconvenience, so which the video may not go well. So after doing so, let's come to our video and go to cutout. Scroll down, you will see a place where it is written auto cutout. So click on auto cutout and wait for it. Yes, you can see our auto cutout has been applied. So here is the outcome. Yes, so you can see that the letter is behind the objects now. You can see it with your naked eyes. So in order to add some effects to it, just go on to basics. So yes, so on basics, position and size, click on the keyframe. Yes, so go on to position and size and click and tap on the keyframe. You understand? So move the your controller to the last video and put the and put the scale to, let's take it down, let me put it to, yes. So at the end of the day, this is what you have. So let's go. Understand? So basically that's just how to put text behind an object on CapCut. So let's go for the next one, how to do it with your phone. So let's get started.